Whoa, okay. Don't get it from me, Nick. Go, Dave. Go, Rick. Go, Dustin.
I had to turn the recorder on.
Jeff is having electronic issues.
That wasn't good.
Alright guys, we're about 30 seconds in. I'm going to give you another 30 seconds to a minute. Get you a couple laps in here, and I will let you know where you're at. I will tell you most likely you'll be chasing Gary's TQ of a 14.508. What you got to beat? 14.508 is what you got to beat.
Left.
Alright guys, you heard it, 4 minutes to go. Gary Sutton with that eBay truck, he's in the lead, tearing it up. Dustin's trying to catch him. Dustin and new dirt race, so Dustin's only half second back. Repper's right in that mix. Him Dustin neck and neck. We got Ripper in the mix too. He's only 1.6 seconds back. First through fourth, only separated by a couple seconds. We got a tight race going on with all these guys. 3:30 to go, guys. 3:30 to go. Gary right now on a 15.518. Almost a lap better than his current GQ of 14.508. Gary, you got to pass that to 20.29. Dave Repper, you're in that second spot now, buddy. You're only 2 seconds back from Gary. You're on a 14.504. You got to pass that to 21.1. Rick, you're right in that mix, buddy. You're there, literally neck and neck, only separated by less than a half second. You got to pass that to 20.6. You actually have the back lap. Dustin, you're on a 13.515. You're only 9.5 seconds back from Rick. You got to pass up at 20.29. Right now, guys, 2:45 to go. 2:45 to go. You guys at least having fun tonight?
Behind you,
All
Seth.
right. Nice evening, starting to cool down. We got lights, great facility, good people, good track. One wing, didn't play for the cars.
Oh.
Well, we can't say it here, but there's a few things. But other than that, no, that's pretty good. All right, guys, 2:15 to go. 2:15 to go. Dave Repper, you are Z-man at the moment. Rick's trying to catch you. You two only separated by 0.3. Our T2 Gary down to that 30 spot. He's only 0.3 back from Rick. Dustin in that mix now. He's only 3.3 back from Gary. Everybody just separated by a couple seconds. Great race on all these stadium trucks, guys. Everybody doing a darn fine job. You guys got a minute 45 to go, guys. Okay, up next is four-wheel drive. That's Charlie Hill. Wow, how about that? Minute 30 to go, guys. Minute 30 to go. Dave opening up just a little bit of lead on Gary. That's right. Gary coming in second place. Only 4.3. Gary and Rick separated by 3.2. Rick, this is his first time racing dirt. His first dirt race, but he's doing a fine job. We got Dustin, it's his first race too. Not doing bad. He's only 4.5 seconds back from Rick. All four of these guys doing a great job. 1 minute left. You guys heard them. 1 minute to go. Hi guys, we got Jeff's wife Kayla. She runs the fine Domino's establishment right down the street. She has pizzas and chips for $5.
Hey, Dave.
Wave your arm. There
Here.
it is, guys.
Yeah.
All you local
are
guys.
hungry and want some pizza,
Can't
go
pull apart.
here. Just $5. Alright guys, you got less than 30 to go. Less than 30 to go. Dave's still showing the way. Dave's on a 14.507. Gary's TQ is a 14.508. No pressure, Dave. Rick moving to that second spot. Dustin to third. Gary to fourth. Gary, what is happening?
It's not the main.
That's right. Oh, yeah.
Gary says